Hi there, I'm Gian, and today we'll take a look at the newest addition to Cherry Mobile's Omega lineup of smartphones. Join us as we unbox the new Omega Lite 4 here on Gadget Pilipinas. So, tingnan natin ngayon ang telepono. It's immediately noticeable that this one's more compact than your usual smartphone, which is of course make it easier to use with one hand and a better fit on your pocket. Madaling hawakan, swak sa literal mong bulsa, at saka syempre sa budget. The Omega Lite 4 has a 5-inch display with FWVGA Plus resolution. And while that's a bit outdated in 2018, even for a budget phone, a lower resolution means that there's less pixels for the GPU to push, which in turn gives you more uptime. Habang mas maliit ang screen, hindi lang mas mura kundi mas mahina din sa consumption ng battery. Under the hood is a MediaTek MT6580 quad-core processor along with a 1GB of RAM and 8GB of internal storage, expandable with a micro SD card. 1GB RAM lang to, so manage na lang natin expectations natin. Hindi ito para sa mga hardcore gamers, pero swak ito sa mga first-time users ng smartphones. At the back is an 8MP camera, while the opposite side houses a 5MP snapper. The panel can also be removed to give you access to the SIM card slot, micro SD card slot, and the removable battery. It runs on Android Oreo Go edition, which is specifically designed for entry-level devices. Even with just 1GB of RAM, navigating the user interface is pretty smooth and snappy. Thanks to the trimmed-down version of Android, apps also seem to open slightly faster. Nakilala natin si Android Go dati sa Flare P3 series. And ito yung version ng Android na para sa mga smartphones na gustong bigyang priority ang performance kahit hindi ganoon ka-powerful ang specs. While a 2000 mAh power pack sounds unimpressive, the lower screen resolution should give you more hours, and with only light usage in mind, it still should be enough to get you through the entire workday without having to recharge. For only 2,999 pesos, I really can't complain too much about what this phone can do. This phone isn't designed for heavy use or gaming, but it's something that's more of a reliable daily driver. So that's it for this unboxing and first look at the Cherry Mobile Omega Lite 4. Stay tuned for our full review at Gadget Pilipinas. This has been Gian, and maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.